Okay, I wanted to show just how everything's doing. Today is April 29th, so we're just over 7 weeks of growth here. Everything is looking pretty good. We had a little bit of a setback. We had some yellowing leaves and stuff. And no, I don't just mean these little baby guys. But some of these other big adult leaves were yellowing out. And I think it was just because a bug ran into my finger. I'm stupid and bug phobic. But you can see, like, there's some yellow here and some yellow here. And I think it was just nutrient deficiency. I fertilized them like 2 weeks prior. Well, actually, it wasn't even. It was like a week and a couple days before. But I think that having them grow to this size now, I think they're needing a little bit more. And the fact that some of them are crowded, and so I need to make some decisions here and figure out what all I have, and then I'll either decide to divide further or just like pinch off some. I'm not sure. So that's what we're looking at. See that the celery is looking good. I don't know what's up with this pepper though. It's kind of yellower than the others. What is this guy? This is one of the banana peppers. Yeah, I don't know. I had to move some in cups here because these guys they're just too crowded. Having this completely full, it was really hard to pull individual plants up to look at them because they're all stuck together because, you know, tomatoes have those little sticky hairs all over them. But other than that, everything's looking good. I wish the kale wouldn't have flopped over, but I think it's something that you can kind of plant deeper in the ground. So I might just bury it up to that point. We'll just have to see how that goes. The celery, you can see it's kind of leaning toward where the light was. It hasn't been rotated in a minute. I'll probably have to get out here and water them. The onions are growing tall again, so I'll probably have to cut those down. But yeah, everything's looking really good, I think, for the most part. Yeah. So, like I said, I just have some decisions to make on what to keep, what not to keep. This little red bell finally poked through. I think this is the other cup that has the red bells in it. But everything's going good. Happy with the progress so far. Was a little scared we're going to be losing some tomato plants, but it's looking good.